This is pink color. This is
green color.
This is
red color.
This is
Orange color.
Now let's start alphabet numbers. A for
Apple.
B for
Ball.
C for
Cat.
Next D for dog. This is E for elephant. F for fish. Next G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. Next N for nest. Next letter O for orange. Next P for parrot. Next Q for queen. Next R for rabbit. Next S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Very good. Thank you.
Welcome.